Hi Aiders, this is Luis from Just8Ate.com, and today we're chasing the flavor of Thailand.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to make Thai red curry chicken and vegetables by Thai Kitchen. Make sure to slightly cook the chicken. Sprinkle salt and pepper for flavor. And then next, we're going to go ahead and add chopped garlic and ginger. And I use my favorite garlic chopper here, and it's by Chefin. I love this garlic chopper to the point I'm going to go ahead and share the link in the description box for you guys to try it out as well. Here comes my favorite part. You add your veggies of your choice. Now here I added some green beans and green onions and my favorite veggies, okra. And go ahead and stir it well. You always have the option to add fresh vegetables, obviously, but tonight I'm using frozen. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of water so that it can steam. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this Thai Kitchen organic coconut milk. And my pan was on medium heat. I don't suggest that, but yeah. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the red curry paste. And then I added some brown sugar.
Because we didn't have enough red chili paste, I have a feeling it's going to be more sweet.
Now we're going to go ahead and add the fish sauce. Now that's optional, and I will link the recipe in the description down below. Now that the sauce is ready, I'm going to combine them together all in one pot, like this. I give it a big stir and let it sit for a couple more minutes, and it's ready to go and eat. Let's stop and think. Would you ever give this recipe a try? Give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And so, this is how the recipe looks like. And I was going to go ahead and do a mukbang, but that's all that captured of me. But then Luis is captured no problem. So, yeah.
We whipped up this nice and tasty and flavorful and just a joyful jumble. Joyful jumble tongue twister there of rice, chicken, and vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. So it's very pleasing on the palate, toothsome, and I have to be honest, each bite is as delicious as its last.
Each bite is as delicious as its last.
Okay, well, if you could comment if you've ever tried a dish that's similar to this, that would be much appreciated. Comment on down below.